explain to me what happened?
This right here is called a valve stem.
And what's that noise I hear in the background?
Well,
there's no valve stem in there?
no, there's no valve stem anymore.
Wow. That's quite a noise coming out of that tire.
A lot of noise, isn't it?
Yeah, I have.
You might want to hang on to that.
Hey, let me borrow your knife.
There you go.
Oh, it just got real now.
Damn, that's a shame.
Did you take that out of my car?
No, I took it out of your tire.
Make sure you got that. This is a company vehicle.
That's a damn shame, Captain. How are you
Yeah,
going to fix
wow.
that?
Yeah. No, I guess I'll stay here this week.
Well,
Reach your freezer tool.
Okay. Pop the trunk and put it back in Ford. Black Ford.
don't lose it.
Why would a man even own one of those tools?
Oh,
make sure you do
damn
it
it,
right.
Jim.
Sorry about that, Wayno. I knew there might be a little collateral damage, but hey, I'll give you a ride home.
That shit happened.
I had nothing to do with it.
That motherfucker thing. All right, the next thing.
Hey, whoa.
No.
Hey, I've been called here. Don't be fucking with this thing.
Oh, you're already involved in the brakes.
We haven't done good.
That's exactly my point.
All right, hold on a second.
Here's the compressor. Compressor.
No, I'm going to go break the fucking compressor. All right, we can make a trade here. You can use the compressor if I can get the tool back.
You hook the compressor up and re-inflate it, I'll give you the tool back.
No. Nope, I will lend you access to the air compressor.
Go get it.
No, I'm not going to go get it.
No, we'll start it across the bridge at the same time.
Here we go.
Where is it? I'll go get it.
I give you your valve stem back. Give me my tool back. Here, actually, I'll trade you. Here's your cap. Give it back. Give it here.
Go get the compressor.
Give it here. No. The compressor works. I promise. If you give it back to me right now, it works. If you don't, I'm going to go down there and it won't work.
I trust.
Yep. You can fix it later. Let's go sit down. All right.